Hi, this is Walt Mossberg from the Wall Street Journal, and this week I tested a new product from Google which puts the giant search company into competition with cloud storage services like Dropbox or SugarSync. It's called Google Drive, and it's an evolution of the little used Google Docs online productivity suite. Now, for years, some people have been uploading their documents to Google Docs, even if they didn't intend to edit them or create a document there, just as a way of storing them. Other people would email documents to Gmail in order to just store them. Google is now taking that behavior and formalizing it into something called Google Drive. But there's more to it than that. Google is surrounding Google Drive with easy ways to synchronize these documents among your various devices. There are apps for Mac and Windows that create special folders on the computer, just like Dropbox does, so that you can drag or save a file into that folder and it will automatically be uploaded to the cloud service, Google Drive, and show up in the web version of Google Drive where you can edit them or just view them, have them. Now, Google is also introducing new lower prices than Dropbox and SugarSync and some of the others. It gives away 5 gigabytes of storage free versus 2 gigabytes for Dropbox, and its prices for additional storage are also quite low. For instance, $5 a month for 100 gigabytes. And the storage amounts go very high. On Dropbox, for instance, 100 gigabytes costs about $20 a month, and on SugarSync about $15 a month. Now, at the very same time that Google is doing this, Microsoft has suddenly decided to expand its own little used cloud storage service, which is called SkyDrive. Unlike with Google Drive, I did not have a chance to test the new version of SkyDrive, but Microsoft is offering even more free storage, 7 gigabytes, and its prices for additional storage are even a little bit lower than Google's. Google Drive, which I did test, worked fine for me on a PC, a Lenovo PC that I tested, a Macintosh, an Android tablet from Samsung, and a new iPad. Although I have to say that the version for iPhone and iPad of Google Drive will not be available at launch. It will be delayed by what Google says is only a short time. Google Drive has some interesting features. Of course, one is that it does do editing. It subsumes Google Docs, their online productivity suite. So if you have a document up there, you can edit it or you can create a new document that will sync. It also has excellent search. It transcodes videos in a wide variety of common formats so that they play right on the website. It also has some kind of clumsy or missing features. For instance, if you sync or upload to Google Drive a Microsoft Office document, it won't be editable until you click a command to convert it into a Google Docs format, and that's kind of a pain. In addition, it lacks some features that SugarSync, which is a service I like, has. For instance, you can't email a file directly into your Google Drive locker the way that you can in SugarSync, and that would be a nice thing. But overall, I like Google Drive and I can recommend it. I think it's fairly priced and it worked pretty much as they promised it would. There are more details in my column in the print Wall Street Journal on WSJ.com and on allthingsd.com. This is Walt Mossberg, and I'll see you next week.